On here from Nant Mobile, we're going to be taking a look at what they have. It's a little augmented reality, and we're going to do that next on Geekazine. All right, here we are. Hey, everybody, Jeffrey Powers here. Oops, let me do this. Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine. We're here with John, and you're with Nant Mobile. Tell everybody a little bit about Nant Mobile really quick.
Nant Mobile is a company that is developing an ID platform that is going to have all sorts of APIs, SDKs, and plugins to use for programmers. Right now, what we're releasing is all for augmented reality and computer vision. But we will have more platforms, more that we're adding to this platform, such as voice recognition, natural language processing, that's already in the works, plus other APIs to help manage users and content.
Okay. So you're showing some of the augmented reality here through your iPad. Why don't you just give us a brief idea of what's going on?
Okay, so augmented reality is when you basically take something in the real world, either add to it or augment it. Sometimes it's for GPS. And here we're going to be doing it specifically with using 2D and 3D markers. Markers are basically could be images, could be 3D objects. We're going to track them and we're going to put something on top of it or have them come to life in some way.
Okay.
We're going to start with our R2D2 demo.
Okay, so what we have over here, I'm going to point to it. Tell us what we got right here.
So this is our marker for Star Wars. It's just a printed poster of Star Wars.
Okay.
R2D2.
And it could be any print. There's nothing in it, like any type of chips or anything like that.
Regular printout.
Okay. And so you got the app on the iPad here.
So I've started.
So I'll back up a little bit. Oh, don't back up with me. Go forward a little bit. All right.
So
Go ahead.
I'm going to start the app by just pointing it. And R2D2 comes out, and basically it's a remote controlled R2D2. You can move him around.
Oh, that's cool.
And
So you can move him around, so he becomes like a BB-8 or something like that, the little Sphero unit.
yes, basically you can move him around. You can do things that BB-8 can't do.
Ooh.
Decide to set our presentation table on fire.
Okay.
Normally highly undesired, but
Well, yeah, we
we
don't
can
want to
get
set
away
anything
with
on fire too much. Yeah.
but put it out. Too much fire, not good also. We can decide to electrocute people or just at least stun them. We do that too many times. All right, didn't like that.
No, it definitely didn't. So if I walk up to the unit, I could actually interact with it?
No, this is all remote controlled virtual augmented reality. So it's pretty much R2D2 is the virtual part of the augmented reality.
Okay. So is this just any type of Star Wars memorabilia, or you have to put down
This is specifically just for this marker. Everything that you created with our API, you provide the original image or the model, and we provide tools to get the model, if it's a 3D model, scanned and working. So I can show you also the cottage here.
Yeah, let's take a look at the cottage really quick.
3D marker.
So really quick, you have this what, a strawberry shortcake type cottage or something?
So this is actually for a toy from Jack's Pacific. It's Tinkerbell. It's a cottage. And it's an ordinary toy pretty much. We haven't changed it at all. It's you can buy this in the store right now.
Okay.
And that's it. We've scanned this in with our tool. And at this point, we can launch an app and have a game show up on this.
So let's do that.
So I launched the app, and I'm going to go to play. And that's the camera's live, so now I'm going to point it at the cottage, and pretty much the cottage comes to life.
Oh, wow. Grass and everything. That's cool.
So now that you can tap, and it starts a game on here. And the idea is to collect the mushrooms. Puffer balls make Rosetta sneeze. So
That's awesome. So little girls will have lots of fun with this little app, and adds more value to the product itself.
yes, it does. And also you can it's tracking the actual 3D objects. I don't know if you can see the cottage in the background, but as I rotate the cottage, it goes all the way around.
Almost all the way around.
Yeah.
Oh, was that because you didn't have it pointed?
I
Yeah.
wasn't watching the.
Too many movements at the same time.
Yeah. So you can see it, explore what's in the back. You can basically explore the surroundings too.
If I open it, will it open up or?
No, it doesn't track the door separately.
So you also have some other stuff like I see the shoe. Why don't we do that one and then really quick? So you got a Nike shoe there.
Yeah, we have a poster too.
Yeah. So yeah. Well, yeah.
So
Okay, go ahead.
So this is our Kobe shoe demo, and this is actually tracking the shoe. And as soon as you point it at the shoe, it creates a game on it. And this tracks pretty much all the way around.
Okay.
And as the shoe begins to cover the court actually gets covered too.
Oh, that's cool. So if Kobe's wearing these shoes during a Laker game, will you be able to run that app and have that little court on there?
You can try, but I'm pretty sure they're going to stop you before you get to the. Yeah.
Well, that's
But
cool.
yep.
So these are all apps that you're developing for it, and of course I'm guessing there's going to be more out there, correct?
These apps that you're seeing here are pretty much just to showcase our technology. All of the APIs, the SDKs, and the plugins for the game engines are available to developers. And this is just kind of to test our apps, but also let developers see what's out there, what you can use.
So they can make their own products and their own.
Yeah, just to get them started. We have several sample apps in there they can download, play with them, build them, and learn from them. So,
Well, where do people go for more information?
so our website is developer.theidplatform.com.
And is there any cost involved in getting this?
Right now, it's all free, and we're definitely going to have a free version. Eventually, we're going to start charging for server-side or cloud recognition. The pricing model is probably going to be around $100 per 100 or 250,000 recognitions, which is pretty average for the industry. In terms of local, it's going to be unlimited. It's going to be based on install.
Well, cool, John. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.
All right, check it out. Nant Mobile is the name of the company, and if you want to, if you have any other questions, you can contact me, and I'll get a hold of them over at Geekazine. Thanks a lot for watching. You guys geek out. Stop.